Okay, good morning. Welcome to Diva Day 2013. My name is Reinhart, and I'm one of the members of the Solemma team. We also have Austin Jakubiak, Johnny Sargent, Jeff Niemus, and Kara Lagios was in the room, and you met her doing registration. And for us, that's basically Christmas and our birthday on one day, when we finally get to meet some of our users and get to discuss our tools, because usually we're doing everything in the virtual world. So it's great to have you all here. I'll quickly walk you through the program that you probably already have seen, and then we get started with the new version of Diva that Austin's going to present to you. So the morning session, the first chunk is really what we've done since the last Diva Day, some of our research that we've done regarding glare at MIT that is on its way into Diva, and we are planning a live demo on the adaptive shading model within Diva. It turns out there's some driver issues, so we actually are moving Jeff's presentation into the afternoon session, but you're still going to get that live demo. And then after the coffee break this time, we have, same as last time, a practice session where we ask our users that we know are doing interesting work to show some of their work and basically always engage in a discussion how Diva can work within the design process, what's an effective way of using it, what could be done better in the future. Then for lunch, I'll put this slide back up. For lunch, it basically tells you a number of restaurants, but since a lot of you are local, you can, of course, share with the non-local people where you might want to go for lunch as well. And then after lunch, we have this Educator Session, which is basically how can Diva be taught in schools of architecture primarily. But I think the problems that are going to be raised here are the same as any firm faces when you basically know a software very well, but you have a whole range of architects who you want to use the tool as well, and how do they best learn to use the software. So I think to be of general interest, and as I said, we are sliding Jeff's presentation in here, and then in the end we have an open discussion session. Any questions? Actually, I don't know where the bathroom is coming up into sessions, but I'm sure that can be found out. And the restaurant afterwards is in walking distance, so we're going to be in Cask, and that's just a short stroll from here, and again we're going to put that screen up that you're going to find it later tonight. So with that, before we actually start, of course, our very, very special thanks to Thornton Tomasetti for giving us this wonderful space. This is really significantly greater than I thought any space in New York would be, so thanks a lot. Especially to Jonathan Schumacher, who I haven't seen today, actually.
Yes, in LA, actually.
Oh, it's in LA, really? Okay, thanks, Jonathan. And to Chris Mackey, who helps us with all the technology and ushered us in this morning. With that, I'll hand it over to Austin Jakubiak. There's a new version of Diva that you can actually right now download from the website since this morning. So it's the beta, Diva 2.1, and Austin's going to talk to you what new features it has.